Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this LED strip. I'm going to show you guys what it is and how it works and everything. So it comes like this. So you have just this little LED, the little light strip, and we get a extension cord with a switch on off, and we get some. What's that? Oh, we have a cigarette plug lighter, so we can plug it into our USB. There, and then we have some VHB tape so we can tape up the strip onto our car. So if we were going to use this one here, say maybe for your Uber driver, which a lot of people will be, we can set it up. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about and how easy it is to set up. So I'm just going to plug this in here, and I will plug that into, I have just a power bank here, so I'm not connecting up into the car at the moment, but let's see what we get here. So we have this here, it says welcome, and we're going to connect it up on our iPad here just because my phone is what I'm recording it with. Actually, is this going to work? Yes, so I can scan this QR code here on the box. Oh, I missed it. Okay. Oh, I have to turn off airplane mode. Okay, and then it should open up here so we can download our app in the App Store. Sorry, my internet is a little slow at the moment. I just turned it off from airplane mode, so it's going to take a second. I'll be right back. I'm going to go set this up on the App Store. I just don't have internet. Okay, I'll walk you through the entire thing. I just installed the app, and now it says, do you want to allow Bluetooth? I will say allow, and then we will say click to connect device. It says spotlight something here, so I guess it found it. It says it's connected. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Oh, here we go. And so we should be connected. And then I can say graffiti, and let's see if I do this, and then play. Oh. And then there it is, look at that. So let me go back and I can say Uber. And there, now it says Uber on there. You could probably do it better than that. I could say I could take a picture of something. Let's see if I allow the camera. See if I take a picture of this. Let's say use photo. Check mark. Haha, there's my dog. I didn't do a very good job of my dog, but you get the idea. I mean, it could do anything. So then I could do text. So if I wanted something better, oh, it says downloading. I guess it's downloading different fonts and text so that I could say what I wanted to say. Oh, here's my text. I would say Uber, and then there, now it says Uber. So you can totally put that inside your car, and then somebody will be able to know that you're an Uber, or if you're the other way around, if you are doing Lyft, you could do L-Y-F-T. And there you go, Lyft. Or I could say Neil. And then people will know it's Neil. How cool is that? This is super cool. And then I can change the color, I guess, here with the little color app. See if I do random colors, so then it says Neil in colors. So that is the coolest little LED strip there. And it's perfect and nice and small, and I can put it right up there in the corner of my car so everybody will know. So totally thumbs up.